Traffic exact traffic, Cessna 2% time 2 is turning long final for 23, traffic exact.
3910. Mike uniform is clear of runway 23, stand by back.
3930. Drop and return.
Tampax 6, 3911 Quebec is on departure leg runway 23, will stay in the traffic pattern, Tampax 6. Tampax 6, 3911 Quebec is turning left crosswind runway 23, Tampax 6.
CHT is 222. Outside air is 29.
3911 Quebec is turning left downwind runway 23, Tampax 6.
4810 is clear, 23, Tampa 6.
.223 for CHT.
Tampax exact traffic, Cessna 2% flight 2 is going around 23, Tampax exact. Tampax 6, 3911 Quebec is turning left base runway 23, short approach, Tampax 6.
Tampa exact, Piper's 44, Pops Air, line up and wait, runway 23, Tampa exact.
Tampa executive traffic 16 Romeo is midfield left downwind, runway 23.
Tampa exact, 4 Pops Air is on the roll, runway 23, departing to the east, good day.
Tampa exact, Skyhawk, 5095 Romeo, holding short, runway 23, Tampa exact.
Tampax 6, 3911 Quebec is short final runway 23, Tampax 6. Tampax exact traffic, Cessna 2% 52 is turning crosswind for 23, Tampax exact.
Tampa exact, Piper's 44, Pops Air, turning left crossway, runway 23, Tampa exact.
Tampax exact traffic, Cessna 2% flight 2 is on downwind of 23, Tampax exact.
Tampa executive traffic 16 Romeo, base 23.
Tampax 6, 3911 Quebec is on departure leg runway 23, will stay in the traffic pattern, Tampax 6.
Tampa exact, Skyhawk, 5095 Romeo, departing runway 23, staying left coast pattern, Tampa exact.
Tampa executive traffic 16 Romeo, line up for 23.
Tampa exact. Piper Sport 4 Pop Sierra is departing to the east. Good day.
That's traffic, Skyflight 210. How many in the pattern?
Plant City traffic. Piper Sport 4 Pop Sierra is left base, runway 23, Plant City.
500.
That's traffic, Skyflight 210 on a 6.5 mile 45 for runway 23 to the northwest. That's traffic.
Plant City traffic. Piper Sport 4 Pop Sierra is turning final, runway 28, Plant City.
Plant City traffic, Cessna 152 is turning left crossing runway 28, Plant City.
Runway Juliet, headway downwind to 23 and a 45, Winter Haven.
Plant City traffic. Piper Sport 4 Pop Sierra is left base, runway 28, Plant City, touch and go.
$500.
Plant City traffic. Piper Sport 4 Pop Sierra turning final, runway 28, touch and go, Plant City.
5 driver 19 Alpha, 2 miles to the northwest, inbound 45 left down runway 33, Fokker. Traffic 19 Alpha, enter the left down runway 33 for a full stop, Fokker.
Plant City traffic. Piper Sport 4 Pop Sierra is departing to the south. Good day. Tampa exact 4 Pop Sierra is turning left base, runway 23, full stop, Tampa exact.
Tampa exact traffic, Cessna 2452 is turning crossing for 23, Tampa exact.
Marco's left downwind 23, Tampa exact.
500.
Tampa exact traffic, Cessna 2452 is turning left downwind for 23 traffic north side, Tampa exact.
Tampa exact, Piper's 44 Pop Sierra is turning final, runway 23, full stop, Tampa exact.
Marco's left base 23, Tampa exact.
Tampa exact, Piper's 44 Pop Sierra is clear, runway 23, Tampa exact.
Tampa exact traffic, Cessna 2452 is turning base for 23 traffic inside, Tampa exact.
Marco final